Thank you, Sir Tommy. You're so lol, Sir Tommy. I don't want to go in your country. Oy. How much passport there? Oh, you're so lol, Sir Tommy. Oy. I don't know how much, but don't take me in your country. Oy. I can't go with you, Sir Tommy. I have lived in, Sir Tommy. I have lived in partner, Sir Tommy. You can take me to your country. Just be friend is okay.